Hello guys, welcome to Logic's Hub. In this video, we can find the value of this problem, which is 8 or 1 divided by 2 divided by 8. So how can we find the value of this fraction? Question: if you are talented, then solve this question just in 40 seconds. But if you are a student and do not know about this type of question, that in this video I can solve this question just in 30 seconds. So guys, our solution is, first of all, we can solve this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 16, and 16 plus 1, which is equal to 17. So the answer is 17 divided by 2 divided by 8. Now guys, according to KCF rule, where K stand for keep, C stand for change, and F stand for flip, we can write it as 17 divided by 2 times 1 upon 8. Okay guys. Now here numerator is multiplied to numerator and denominator is multiplied to denominator. So 17 times 1, which is equal to 17, divided by 2 times 8, which is equal to 16. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of math question. Thanks a lot.